Kasyunagi, ito po ang aming Sunday training here at Barangay Bulod Covered Court sa gym. Ito na po yung mga trainings po natin. So Rohan, show them. Show the trainees, Rohan. Show the trainees. Right. Okay, there's the trainees. And yeah, that's
I can still see my sister.
Yeah. You be the videographer for today, Rohan. And this is Rohan, actually. Yeah, that kid. Okay. Alright, Rohan. Thank you. Ayan, okay. Ito ang ating developmental, guys. Coach June, Kuya June, BC, Coach Jordan. For the beginner, BC, guys. Yan. And for our one-on-one, Kuya Daryl. And wait, Ron.
Oh, this one?
Ron, no, wait. Ayan. Robin. Ito ang mga basic natin, guys. Okay. Again, ang advanced, developmental. Here. Okay. And one-on-one, Kuya Daryl. Ayan. Okay. Ayan pa. One-on-one to with Coach Daryl. Basic. Ayan, basic receive, trim and defend, basic, guys. Ayan. Ito. Developmental. Advance. Ayan. So, ayan. Up, yeah, go Robin. Nice Robin. Ayan sila. Naghanap lang sila ng view. Ayan. Okay. Very good, Rohan. Yan guys, while we're training, Rohan is dancing. Yeah. This is how we celebrate the Sunday training with family, friends, and companions here at Shonu Sports Volleyball Training Camp. Okay. Rohan is actually 8 years old. Yeah. And he loved dancing. Very good, Rohan. Oh, that's your mama. Okay, up. You go there. Rohan. Zone 1. Yan, alright. Okay, go Rohan. Dig the ball. Habol. Very good. Nice one. Nice Rohan. Very good. Okay. Yan. Okay. So,
Hindi matakot sa bola.
sige, receive lang. Receive yung bola. Go guys. Nice, Rohan. Very good. Yes, very good. Last one. Rohan, last one. Last one, Rohan. Yeah. Rohan. Good. Nice. Okay. Another one. Go. Last. Rohan. Dig the ball. Apple. Yeah. Nice one. Go lang. Go. Yes. Very good. Okay. Go kaya Carlo. Nice one. Okay. Oh, wala pa kayong nadidig ng maayos. Okay. Yan, very good. Alright. Okay. Dig ng maayos. Yan, ibigay nyo sa setter. Sa setter. Yan, nice one. Go. Okay, very good. Oh, wala ka pa na-dig, Romer. Guys! Yan. Ops! Dig na maayos. Yan. Good. Pagod ka na. Next ako kaya June. Ako naman. Okay. Ako naman kaya Takbo! Yan! Rika, go! Rika, habol Rika! Go, takbo! Yan. Very good. Nice one. Go! Go! Yeah, nice one. Go Ace. Good. Nice one. Go. Good. Joshua. Sige, go. Yan, sige, takbo. Takbo na, MJ. Takbo ka na dun. Dun ka na. Oh. Takbo. Yan, oh, takbo. Yan, very good. Okay. Go guys!
1, 2, 3! Solo!
Alright. Ano ka?
Nakagard.
Pagod na sila. Ay, sorry. Kuya Carlo, sorry. Sige. Yan, very good. Konti na lang. Go. Sige. Go. Doon ka, Jess. Go ka, Jess. Go. Go ang ball. Ayan, Jess. Go. Kaya mo yan, Jess? Yan, Jess. Konti na lang pala, Jess. Jess. Up. Diretso. Yan. Yan. One-on-one kay Kuya Daryl. Ayan, Go. Kuha, Go. One-on-one. Then, service. Go. Yan. Sige, lakas pa, Robin. Lakas, Rika, lakas. Yan, konti pa. Erika, konti na lang. Good. Yan, Luisa, lakasan nyo pa. Sige. Yan, konti pa. Sige, lakasan nyo na lang. Yan. Sige. Magpa-spiking na po tayo. Yeah, nice one. Sige lang. Timing ah. O, taas kamay ah. So. Go, Jazz. Yan, Jazz. Very good. Yeah, nice one. Good. Go. Kabel lakas ah. Yan, very good. Nice Nat, very good Nat. Disco Romer. Ayan. Ano, pagod na kayo? May isang game pa daw.
Santa Lucia na.
Ha? Sige na. Ano, Sean? Game pa ba? May isa pa raw na game. Sean. Kaya Carlo. Game pa. Game pa ba, Ace?
Game pa, sige.
Ano? Game pa. Ano da? Santa Lucia naman daw. Ah, Laguna. Ayan. Oh, pagod. Yan mga kasyunatik, mga pagod. So, ano, nasulit ba training? Sulit na sulit? Okay lang yan. Go.
One pop.
Siya na, sulit ba yung training ngayon? Ano, Ace?
Sulit, pagod.
Ano kaya Kaloy? Kamusta training?
May appendix na.
Sean?
Parusa ko.
Parusa.
Punta dito na wala sakit.
Ninang, ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Kulang pa.
Kulang pa?
Kulang pa, kaya ko pa maglaro.
Ah,
Patos ako ah.
open. Okay, thanks mga kas... Thank you. Ano, okay ka pa dyan? Okay, thank you mga kasyunatics. Bye!